Hello, everybody. This is Miss Macaulay, your teacher. Okay, I'd like you to please put your name at the top of this page. Oh, before we do that, let's talk about what page we're doing. We're doing lesson 29 from the iReady Math. Sort and Count is the name of the lesson. Lesson 29, and it's pages 275. What page is this, lovies? Yeah, 275. And then on the other side, the back side, it's page 276. So the lesson is 29, sort and count. Okay, so the standard, write your name up here. I'm going to write Macaulay. And then right here, you're going to write the date, okay, today's date. I don't know what today's date is for you. I'm just going to make up a date. I'm going to make up April 1st, 24. That's just a made up date. That's not your date, okay? You write your date here. And if you don't know your date, that's okay. Wait till you get to the classroom and write it there, okay? So after you write your name and after you write the date, right here at the top, next to where it says lesson 29, write 1.MD.B.3. That's the standard we're learning today. 1.MD.B.3. Pause the video so that you can write it down. Okay, hopefully you paused the video and you wrote down the standard. And this standard is about sorting data. So data is just information that you have, and you're going to sort it into categories. You're thinking, what's that, teacher? I don't understand. Don't worry, you're going to understand once we do it, okay? So say, today I'm learning to sort data. Today I'm learning to sort data. Can you say that? Okay. So it says here, example, what shapes are there? How many of each shape? Okay, so let's see. So this shape right here is called a hexagon. How many hexagons do you see? Well, you see 1, 2. So they drew 2 lines to show these 2 hexagons. They're 2 hexagons. This right here is called a rhombus. How many rhombuses do you see here? Well, you see 1, 2, 3, 4 rhombuses. So that's why there's 4 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's find out how many triangles there are. Go ahead and count the triangles here. Do you see 3 triangles? Here they are. 1, 2, 3 triangles. So right here, you're going to write 3 lines. Can you do that? Okay, so when you finish writing the 3 lines, we're going to go to this chart. This chart and this chart are the same, except that instead of writing lines, they're writing the number to match the lines. So there's 2 lines here, and here's the number 2. There's 4 rhombuses, so they wrote the number 4 for rhombuses. How many triangles? 3. So right here, we're going to write the number 3. Did that make sense? Good. Okay, so we finished doing number 1, right? It says count the triangles, fill in the last row of both charts in the example, which we just did. Okay, so what are we learning to do, lovies? Yeah, we're learning to sort and count data. Sort and count data. Okay, let's go to the back. Okay, So here's our data, our information, right? I'm going to read this question and you're going to repeat. So when I'm done reading, you're going to read it. Me first. Here I go. What shapes are there? Your turn. My turn. How many of each shape? Your turn. Okay. So it says here, my turn. Sort by shape. Your turn. Okay, let's start with chart number 2 right here. It says complete the tally chart. What does it say? Okay. So let's start with, move it up a little bit. Okay. Let's start with the square. It's got 4 sides and each side is the same. They're equal sides. Let's see. How many squares do you see here? If you said you see 3 squares, 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4 squares, excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. You are absolutely right. So we're going to do tally marks here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on this one, we're going to do the same number, 4, but we're not going to do tally marks. We're going to complete the number chart. This is tallies. This is number. So we're going to write the number 4 here. Okay, next we're doing the trapezoid. This shape here is called a trapezoid. So look over here and count all the trapezoids you see here. Okay, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you say 4 trapezoids? If you said 4, you're absolutely right. Let's make the 4 tally marks. And right here on trapezoid, I'm going to write the number 4. Okay, last shape is the rhombus. This one right here is the rhombus. It looks like a square that's been squished, like pressed down, right? So look for the rhombuses here. Did you say the number 3, that there were 3 rhombuses? If you did, you're absolutely right. 1, 2, 3 rhombuses. So I'm going to draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Over here, I'm going to put the number 3. Okay, lovies, what did we just do right now? We sorted the shapes and we counted them. What did we just do? Say, I sorted the shapes and I counted them. Okay. It says here, what is another way you can sort the shapes? We can sort them by color, right? The dark shapes and the light shape. So we'd say, I can sort them by color. Because see how some of them are like this gray color and some of them are like this dark color. So you can have all the ones that are dark, count them, and then count all the ones that are like the light gray. So there's light gray and then there's dark gray. Okay, so I've just put here, I can sort them by color. So go ahead and pause the video and copy that down. Hopefully you paused the video so you could copy this down. Okay, because I'm going to turn off the video now. So make sure you pause so you can copy this down. Okay, lovies, what did we learn today? If you said that you learned to sort and count data, you are absolutely right. If this was super easy for you and you think you made no mistakes, okay, you're going to say, I learned it very well. If you kind of understood it, but you think you need more practice, you understood a little bit of it, but not all of it, you would say, I need more practice. And if you had a lot of problems with it, it was kind of hard, you still don't really understand, you would say, I need a lot more practice, right? You would say, I need a lot more practice. So how do you feel you did on this page? Did you really understand it? Maybe you need a little more practice, or do you need a lot more practice? Okay, good job. I'm going to pause. I'm going to stop the video. Have a nice day.